Defense Day. Defense Day is celebrated on the 6th of September every year in Pakistan. It was on this day in 1965 that India launched her force and attacked Pakistan across the international border without any warning or the declaration of war. This is the day when we pay tribute to the brave soldiers who sacrificed their life and defending their homeland from the enemy. Pakistan and India, both countries fought that war for the issue of Kashmir, but this issue remained unsolved. A lot of people lost their life from the both countries and a lot of weapons were used. The day of 6th September starts with the special prayers for the peace and prosperity of Pakistan. National songs and special documents about 6 September 1965 and the martyred people of 6 September are displayed on the TV. In this day, the President and Prime Minister give an address. Pakistani Army display the latest missile, tank guns, army aviations, helicopters and armaments being used by engineers. In the end, I would like to say that we should all pray for the safety and solidarity of Pakistan.